By this time in the active board sequence, we're usually in very different places. Some people have on the blinders and they've narrowed in exactly what they want to focus on. Other people are still trying to get the big idea. And I just want to say a couple things. One is we are intentionally leaving things out. If you're wondering why you don't know how to do certain things yet, we have to kind of start slow and build gradually. The next thing is it takes time. You got to fiddle. You have to put time into this. Please remember that there are people ahead of you, most likely in all grades, in all subject areas, where you can grab their stuff and begin to see how the active board can become an important part of the classroom. It is assumed that these first couple of tutorials, you're still trying to figure things out, but we want to gradually start showing more shortcuts, more features, and make more assumptions about the fact of where you are and what you know. For this little differentiated activity, in order to add a video or something like it to a flip chart, a picture, or maybe a flash file, what you can do is, what I like to do is generally just put it on its own page. So if we go here, it says blank page after current in your toolbar. I'm just going to hit that and it created a blank page you can see right down here below the horses. Then what you can do is give your page a color or lack of color, or I guess all of the colors, I think it is technically. And then what you can do is basically drag anything into this page. Now, without getting into all of the fancy features, and to keep this as simple as possible, I'm just going to move that out of the way, kind of old school. And you can see that I have various things on my desktop. Now, if you have a movie file like this one right here, which is Helen's .mp4, this is a movie that I've downloaded and I want to put in my flip chart. Now, how to do that is another issue we won't cover here right now. It's more of a computer thing and less of an active board thing, so we won't talk about it. But anyway, what I can do is I can grab this file right here, and I can actually just push the pen to the board, hold it down, and drag it in. As a result, here you can see that we're going to embed this feature into the page, and it has a very media-like looking icon. You can see that there are edit things here that I can use to drag out and actually resize the image. So now that I have Mount St. Helens erupting, this is actually a series of photographs stitched together to make a movie. So you can see that this would obviously be a powerful image. It would be very nice to have on my flip chart page, and I can just drag it in and embed it. The same goes for pictures and text. You can actually take text from a Word document, highlight it, and drag it straight into a page, and it will appear.